house. Dear diary, I will cherish every moment in this world. I am a soul living the human experience.
I carry God so I fear nothing. Let the increase in the command. Original no be part of me. You know be clear for your memory. Whether now we out come back. I just living life. Spin my fire, burning bright. It's in the inside. Molly with my feet and never know I color. To the both fine, check and balance. Everything inside my mind daily. Trust me, you can't fool me. And then feel all I love. Oh, I'm friendly and conscious. I'm a lady to circle, so I'm not ready for confusion. They're telling me make I show love. Stability on one up. Everything a connection. I'm not ready.
This used to be my favorite coffee brand. This one. Cookie dough. Very vanilla. I love them.
Next melt.
I just woke up. It's 6 something. Don't talk to me until I have coffee. See you guys when I get coffee. Now you can talk to me. Let me do this bonnet well. Because I have coffee. It's always the first sip of coffee that puts me in a good mood in the morning. I hate mornings, okay? I'm a night person. Like, I get really active at night, but in the morning, don't talk to me. To ask, do you brush your teeth before or after coffee? Like, if you're a coffee drinker in the morning, because I feel like coffee stains the teeth. So I drink my coffee. Obviously, I brush at night, so I drink my coffee in the morning, and then after I brush my teeth so I can get the stains off it. Because with the amount of coffee I'm always consuming in a day, my teeth should have been yellow by now. But yeah, today's gonna be a long day. Let me finish this coffee, take a shower, and start my day. Cheers to every coffee drinker. Good morning! This is the Irish cream coffee that I showed you. It tastes so nice. Try it if you like coffee. Hi loves! Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm so close up to your face. Your girl is healing. I had malaria and it was bad, but I think I'm just stressing up a lot because I have so much on my plate. I'm just done with a few meetings and yeah, I think I'm done for the day. I actually created content earlier in the morning and I had to take this day off from work because I had meetings within the days and going to work wouldn't have been a good idea. I think this thing is dark. So going to work within the days wouldn't have been a good idea. Going to work today wouldn't have been a good idea. What am I even saying? Abba. So like I just created content in the morning. I needed pictures for my Instagram. It's been a while. I posted on there. I had meetings to sort out and I'm finally done with what I'm doing for the afternoon. I have one meeting and I think I missed it, which I'm very worried about. But I am happy so far with how my meeting is going, and I don't know what to do. Probably get dinner. I have to be very honest with you. I don't remember the last time I cooked because surely many break bibia here. What's cooking? You know, this is the time I feel like I could have been a baby girl, just stayed at home. Someone cook my meals, call me, come and eat. Yes, you could see I've lost weight, right? I've lost so much weight. I'm even shocked by how I'm losing this weight because if you see me in town, don't involve me in a conversation because I'll be running like a mad woman, back, center, left, right. It's like I get up in the morning and I have so much on my list that I don't even think about food. Not being a man, I don't even think about. I'm not thinking about anybody. I'm just thinking about myself. If you're new to the channel, hi, I am Bambi. I stopped posting for a while, but I'm back and I do vlogs, beauty, everything your girl pal would do. Take me like your bestie here. Yes. So if you want to chit chat, subscribe to my channel, be a part of my family. If you're not a subscriber of mine, Nyankopɔn nhyira wo. Ɔnhyira. God bless you. But yeah, I think I'm going to grab dinner. I'm really craving a smoothie, like a creamy yogurty smoothie. That's what I'm craving right now. But I think this hair is really nice. I had this blonde hair on for my content and I changed to this one. Almost see. This guy is fine. That was the wig that I was wearing, but I had to change to this because I just in the sun. The sun is so hot. It's just shining in my face like that. I was just sweating. I couldn't take it, so I had to take it off. So now, yeah, stay and let's get the day going. But today is Wednesday, and I don't know why I put all my meetings on Wednesday. But yeah. Subscribe to the channel, Odo, and be a part of the family here. I'm very, very entertaining. If you don't know, now I'm telling you.
tell me I can't love myself? How in the hell could I possibly love someone else? Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? How in the hell could I possibly love someone else? You're in a hurry, trying to tell the world that you're worthy of all the things we keep chasing. Know your heart is a great thing. Baby girl, don't. Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? How could I possibly love someone else? Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? How in the hell could I possibly love someone else? Who can I love when they tell me I can't love myself? How in the hell could I possibly love someone else?
I just made dinner. I had a good shower. The weather is so gloomy. And I made pasta. So I finally get to eat the pasta that I wanted to eat. Let me bring you guys down. Guys, if I tell you it's been a while I drank something, believe me, it's been a while. And I've been loving this wig, like drank something. I've had this wine in my fridge for like 2 months now. And look at where the wine is, like it's still full. It's been so long. Honestly, I've stopped drinking and I'm shocked. And I think that has really helped with my weight loss journey. Cause like, let me go back so you can see me. This is how I look now. I used to be so thick. And I think the moment I drink wine, I want something fatty to eat. So that was a problem for me. Your girl has lost so much weight. Get it? Like, the only thing I do is just get down from where. Okay, I walk from my house to the junction for a car, get down at the bus stop, walk to work. So, like, that morning commute back and forth. And I do the same thing when I close. So, obviously, that has been like my exercise. And I can't eat a lot when I'm at work. I have to like cut down on food, so I might be like busy throughout the day. And I'm very big on breakfast, so I do have my breakfast, but lunch, I skip it. And by the time I come home, I'm too tired to make dinner if I don't cook or meal prep on the weekend. So I just like eat bread or something fast and then sleep. Because like, girl, if there's one thing I love to do, is to sleep. I just want to finish this wine because I have another bottle. So I'm like, you know what? I want to have the whole Italian experience today. Cheers. So pasta, red wine. I think cheese goes with white wine. But I'm having red wine with my pasta, and this wine tastes really nice. Ooh. The wine is giving. And by the time I'm done with this, guys, I still have things doing. So I can't get drunk. But let's taste the pasta. I didn't eat any of it when I was preparing it because I just wanted to be done and leave the kitchen. So I didn't taste, but you can have my first bite. It's making sense. You know something? I think this is going to taste really bomb in the morning. Like, what? I can cook. Oh. Pray your, pray your ex doesn't find me, because if he finds me, he's not coming back to you again. kill him with food. This tastes really good. But I have been obsessed with Kofi Kinate's song. So I'm going to listen to that, watch some YouTube. You have to see what I'm doing. We're going to listen to that particular one. Let me turn it down. Went viral on TikTok because the guy there was just giving vibe. I'm not sure if I'm watching the right one, but like this particular one. Honestly, guys, this is the reason why I don't drink red wine. Because the moment I drink red wine, I feel like I'm just feeling everything in my body. Feeling everything. That's why I don't drink red wine around people. Because I'll start behaving like, you know. Let's get back to this party. You know something, in this life, when you're home alone, entertain yourself, okay? So don't let anything be a bother. Life is too short. Enjoy the rest. I'm on my second glass of wine. Pray for me. A lot. I think it's time for me to take another shower and go straight to bed because like whew, this whole thing is a groove. Catch you guys in another video. Back to the dance.